Where the hell is he? Trying to get this friggin' done. So much work to do. Dude, can I have the timber locks? Lloyd! The fuck did he go? Unbelievable. Supposed to be getting the damn screws. Really? Nice. Dude, I'm trying to put the deck together. I got all this shit outside. I gotta clean the shed out. You said you're gonna help. I'm paying you. And you're... Huh? A margarita. Yeah. All right, Lloyd. Whatever. This is getting out of hand. Really? Whatever. I'll do it myself. This is friggin' brutal. Honestly. Can't deal with this shit. Out of timber locks. Says he's going to grab them out of the shed. I'm taking a friggin' break. I've been working my ass off. He just lounges around all day, loiters around, unemployed. Whatever. Thanks, Lloyd. Feet are killing me.